Good evening, everyone. I'm gonna apologize for my English accent. I'm original from England, British. So, for those people that doesn't know me, my name is Roosevelt Vargas, and I've been doing Herbalife for 11 years, I believe. And I operate here in the city of Orlando. Thank you. You know, I have all my cheerleaders here. Thank you. You know, whenever I go to this event, let me tell you my testimony. I've been doing Herbalife for 11 years, lost 50 pounds. Excited about life, excited about this opportunity. Before Herbalife, I was like getting employed, getting different jobs from job to job, just trying to get a living. And then I find out in 2008, $95,000 in credit card debt. Desperate, suffering, trying to find an opportunity. And my wife told me, you should do Herbalife. I didn't know if I wanted to kill her or something, you know, like, come on, we're $95,000 in debt. Well, how we're gonna pay that with Herbalife? But when you're passing for those patches in your life, then you feel like it's good way to begin, right? There's nothing else to lose, so we're gonna start from scratch. And then we get excited and we start working hard, to introduce stuff to people. And from that we turn in 24 months from working to doing. And then going to these events, then you see it in a different way. It's probably our 6th or 7th event as the president in retreat. And it's time to see it in a different way. You know, I see like 3 different perspectives of an event when I go there. The first one is about the content of the event by itself. I love it. You know, great guests, people is growing, you know, you see people on the stage, you know, they get new recognition, then they talk about the top 10, the music, the Mark Weiler, the hotel, you know, everything nice. But then comes what I'm getting from this event, you know, what I'm getting. And I understand, I understood that there's a zone that sometimes we want to be very safe. It's called comfort zone. And we've been in the Millionaire Team member for 7 years. And we were happy there. You know, nice check, you know, and we thought we have already achieved our financial stuff, you know. We drive the car we want, we live in a nice neighborhood, you know, we travel with the kids 4 or 5 times a year, you know, and we always take our kids to every event. We want them to feel like what is the experience to live the Herbalife lifestyle. So last year we took them to Singapore, you know, to the event, and now they're already scheduled to go to honors in the coming one, and we signed them up in the Gen Age retreat that they have for them. You know, they are 15 and 13-year-old, but still we're in our comfort zone. And when you're in that comfort zone, you feel so safe, and you believe by crossing that area, you're gonna find like dragons or, you know, weird stuff. So we get panicked, and that's what happened to me, you know? I'm here safe, so I better don't move. Because what about if I give another step, probably I may fall, you know? But then, when you start expanding that comfort zone, is when you realize that the emotion, the excitement, the good things are about to come. That you stay too long in the comfort zone is so boring. So we learn how to start, searching, digging, going far beyond that point, and take the risk. And we put ourselves in that point that when we came back to the event, we have to set it up everything. and we start with our finances. We sit down with my wife, and I told her, honey, we need to find out how we're spending our money. I don't even touch the credit card. She opened up, the eyes like this. She says, no, we want more goals. We want more stuff for the children, for ourselves. And we started acting like we were supervisors back then. And then in the content of the event, it says, sales, more clients, more customers, more people excited in the event. So what about if we just start living back again only from our sales? I get a little scared, because when you are not getting a $12,000 check a month, that's, you feel weird. But we have learned our lesson. We have learned our lesson, and this month has been like with a lot of good challenges, okay? Just to see that you're gonna expect a royalty check, but you're not gonna get it, okay? And you need to go out there and start with the basics. That is going out there, getting more customers, talking to more people, doing more wellness evaluations, staying more time in the club, waking up earlier, staying later. So if you tell me, it's not about the event. All the Herbalife events are awesome. It's about myself. That's the third way of learning. In those events is with which mindset I was coming before to the other presidents team retreats, and my mindset was comfort. I'm fine right here. What is my mindset today in this event? Okay, I'm going to be very sincere with you, and then, okay, can I be sincere with you? We just came last week from our JKO in Clearwater for the Spanish market. And I said, already went there. Another JKO in English, do. And then I find out, it says, oh, come on. And then we start talking. We always talk with my wife, and she put me in a lot of pressure. That's probably the year that we're going to become presidents. I mean, it's going to be this year. So we said, yes. What about if we can do it? Tomorrow, there's going to be an HOM right here. Okay? And how many of you guys already have a guest for tomorrow? How many of you guys are ready to show the opportunity that we have here in Central Florida? Okay? So I said to myself, it doesn't matter, I'm just going to go to the event. There's going to be an HOM, there's a lot of things I need to learn. Okay, we have a big room. Look at this, guys. We're going to be packed tomorrow. Okay, but if you guys haven't made your phone call, if you haven't talked to your preferred member, to your distributor, to your customer, okay, tomorrow is the time that we're going to fill this room up. We're going to pack it up. And it's not about this president retreat that already has. It's going to be about the one that is coming next year, okay, and who is going to be sitting down there, okay? So, my invitation is very simple, guys. It's think big, okay? Think big. And I have a note here. It says that if you don't get scared about the size of your dream, and the level you will be getting in your marketing plan, then in the marketing plan you're going to achieve, then it's not that big enough. Thank you, guys.